Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as from the thumbnail, you already know that it's a bag collection video. And I don't have a huge variety of bags, or I don't have costly bags, but I have a decent number of bags. So I thought, why not make a vlog about it to show you my collection. So we'll start with the smaller bags, and then we'll move on to the bigger ones. So that will be easier for us. So this bag here is like a fanny. What do you call it? Cross fanny, if I'm not wrong, something like that, but this is really nice. So whenever you're going out on a tour, so you just hook it like this and then use it. So this I got when I was traveling with my parents to Amritsar, if I'm not wrong. So they gave us this bag. So yeah, I've not used it once, looking forward to use it. So it is really nice. There are a lot of compartments. So yeah, this is my first bag. Next, moving to slings, I have three slings with me, which are of the basic colors. So let's start one by one. So one is the classic black. So this is a long strap as well. So this is a nice sling. So whenever you are in doubt, like you want to carry a smaller one, you can carry this. And then one is this nice green color. So this keychain was gifted to me by sorry, this keychain was gifted to me by my mother. So I have attached it to this, and this is also a nice green color. And then we have the classic off-white bag. So this has many features. Like it can be featured like a, I mean, you can use it like a long sling or like a shoulder bag. So this one by Zoe is a gift by my best friend Advita. So she gifted me this on my last year birthday. So yeah, this is very special. So this goes well with ethnic. So like if you want to go for the Indian print, so this is really nice. So yes, and then again, Roshni, my best friend, gifted me again a shoulder bag. So that bag, that black one I have, is a sling, and this is like a shoulder bag, and black is a classic color. So yes, so I love this as well. So moving on to a little bigger size is this one. So this bag was gifted to me by my father, but then my brother re-gifted it to me for Raksha Bandhan. So essentially, I consider this as my Raksha Bandhan gift for last year. This is also a nice bag, and it's like a long sling. It has a sling, so you can carry it sideways or whatever length you want, or you can just remove that and carry it in this way. So this is also a really nice color. So this is also green one. This was my first tote. So when I moved to Bangalore for my job, so my father got this to me. I mean, got this for me. So this is very special to me. And if you see my father, now that I realize, my father gifted me all green bags. So this bag, it is spacious, and it comes with two compartments. I mean, single zip, but two compartments. But it's really nice, and I love the color in the print. I mean, I love the color and the texture. So yes, after that, let's move on to this women's canvas bag. So because I had that for a long time, I wanted something in canvas. So I was very like, I want something in canvas, and then I bought this bag. This is for 1500. The bag itself is little heavy, but this is great for office, and if you're traveling to airport or something, you even have a hook to put it on your trolley bag and just carry it. And this also comes, so this comes with a sling. Let me show you. Where's the sling? Yes. So this is a thick string strap, so you can adjust the length and then use it. So yes, so this is the bag. This is my current office bag. This is the Earth. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's an open bag, and also I always wanted an open bag as well. So this is an open bag, so like you don't have zipper or something, you just have to clip it on and just move away. So nice color, nice tan color. This, I think I got it in Texas Mart for sale. So this was for 1,000 rupees. The MRP is little bit higher than that, but I got it for 1,000, so I was really happy. And there was a free pouch by mistake inside this. I got that also, which was a fast track, by the way. So next, moving on to the most expensive bag in this collection is this Miraggio bag. This is, I think, for 2,500. So this was like buy one get one free, and then me and my friend we bought it. Otherwise, we would have never got a single bag for 5,000 rupees. So this is like for 50% off, so 2,500. I love the color. Essentially, I bought it for office, but my laptop doesn't fit in this. But then I didn't want to return it also, so I thought I'll use somewhere. It's a nice color, nice pattern as well. It's a unique pattern. So yes, this is my second list bag, and my last bag is this backpack. again, this is a choto backpack, so you can, if you're going out for shopping or like one day trip or something, you can just pack everything in this and take. And it's a vibrant color. I like the color as well. Again, this is a gift from my father. I don't know. Now I realize I've never bought a bag. So that is it for today's video. This is all the collection, bag collection that I had. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like this video and then subscribe to my channel and comment down below whatever okay, you can comment down below which bag did you like. So yes, let's see which bag gets the most loved. So see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.